So even since yesterday, you can see, wow. The waterfall has totally opened up. Look at that. These dogs love to go skiing. We are at the waterfall again. Hey, leave it alone. Scarlett, do you like skiing? Wasn't even going to come up today, but I'm glad I did. Been some good turns over at Silver Fir. And now this. Plus our little cross-country adventure over there. It's been actually a really good day of skiing. But this. Look at that. There's some clean water right there. Oh, that dog loves to roll. That's her thing. She loves to roll. And she likes to eat wood. This is what we do. More backcountry adventures with Flippy and Floppy. This just in.